Also a real pleasure to be here to make the announcement that will be just so critical for the future development of this anchor investment in Australian manufacturing in the Illawarra. $55 million from the Commonwealth that's going to go into upgrades to the plate mill, extensions in BlueScope's investment in advanced manufacturing capability. And it's impossible to imagine achieving those objectives without BlueScope being a core part of that proposition. They employ 6,000 people around Australia, many of them in the Illawarra. Tens of thousands of people in BlueScope's supply chain and contractors rely upon BlueScope continuing to manufacture steel in the Illawarra and improving the efficiency and quality of their product. The second aspect of this that I'm excited about is what it means is BlueScope's taking another step into the future. More investment in being able to manufacture steel, for example, for wind turbines that are just going to be wind towers and turbines that are going to be just so vital for our clean energy future. Being able to manufacture plate steel that's going to be critical for our investments in defence technology and defence capability. So this is a win-win in my view. And it's an investment in jobs and industrial capability, but it means that as a nation we're building that industrial capability to secure a prosperous and safe future for Australia.
What we're trying to precipitate, at least on the wind tower side of things, is a supply chain into the renewable energy zones in New South Wales so that Australian steel goes into at least a reasonable proportion of those wind towers. So we've been working both on the plate mill's work to get ready for this, but also we're working with various parties on trying to attract a wind tower manufacturer to New South Wales as well.
There'll be so many more opportunities to work with firms like BlueScope to make the investments in modern manufacturing, in advanced manufacturing capability that are going to secure good jobs. And that means boys and girls in school all around Australia should be thinking about apprenticeships, they should be thinking about trade training, they should be thinking about doing engineering at university, because that's where some of the great jobs of the future are going to be, in a modern Australian manufacturing capability that's going to mean that we take our place in the region as one of the great manufacturing nations.